What is Alteryx? The Alteryx is basically a leading tool in the ETL space right now in the market. And what I mean by ETL space, it is extract, transform, and load. Like the day-to-day problem of crunching your data, wrangling your data, and fetching it from multiple data sources and loading it into a single data source is one of the use case of Alteryx, but there are many use cases of it. The thing that Alteryx is quite popular is because it is quite intuitive. First, the pace is quite high than the other tools. The third reason Alteryx is popular that it is not just a ETL tool. It is a reporting tool. It is also a predictive modeling tool. It is also a diagnostic reporting tool. So using the geospatial analysis, so it is a complete package in itself that I'm gonna explain further. So I have explained what is Alteryx. Now we got to know that what is Alteryx, but why the companies are using Alteryx? Because it help us to answer each and every question very effectively and very quickly. It is very less error prone. It is very less risky. The chances of getting an error in Alteryx is very less, and even if you get through, the log that you will be getting or the intuitiveness that you will be getting on the platform is quite good. You'll be able to solve most of the problem by yourself. So let us come upon what are the various offerings of Alteryx. The first product that is being offered by Alteryx is Alteryx Core Designer. What does Alteryx Core Designer tool does? It is basically a desktop based tool that will be installed on your desktop, and you can create the workflows in that system, and after that you have created the workflows, you can publish the workflows on the Alteryx server. You can connect to various flat file databases, API, and much more using the designer itself. And it requires minimal coding knowledge, minimal or no coding knowledge.